How to fix the network path was not found error code 0x80070035. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue on your Windows, then first thing just head over to your search bar and simply search in for services. So once you're inside here, just search in for TCP IP option just like this, and just make sure if you have enabled it to manual, just make sure it is on automatic, and if you have stopped it, just start and hit on apply and hit on OK. And once you do all of that, just close the window from over here. So next thing what you might want to do is just search in for ncpa.cpl command on your search bar and hit the enter button and just select your required network. And so now just head over to its properties, and once you're inside the properties, just click on this internet protocol option and double click on it. Just click on advanced and click on WINS option and simply enable the TCP/IP option, hit and apply, hit on OK, and just restart your PC and your issue should be successfully fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.